Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and this is supposed to be a bathroom in the gigantic house that I bought. Remember, I am starting with the bathroom. I've already cleaned it. I cleaned this house, the entire house, a whole bunch of times, like 3 times, but now I am ready to paint inside and out. So I'm just gonna try a little bit of paint here. As you can see, like even the borders, everything was just mispainted. It doesn't look good anywhere. So I'm just gonna paint everything white. Floors, borders, everything, even the door, because everything should be white in here, and then I'll see what I'll do later on. So I have some paint here. I bought some paint at Walmart that I just had laying around. I haven't really actually gone to buy the paint for the house, but I could just continue to buy these. These are like all-purpose paint, white. So I have some in there, and then I have this big brush, which would be made for the floors, the walls, but this thinner brush, I'm going to use it for all those corners. So let's just try a little bit and see how this white, looks against that bad paint job. So this is what I want to do. I want to paint all this, all those edges in white. Over here too, everything. Who knows, I might have to give this another coat after I'm done. But everything, even all this, is going to be painted white. So you see that they used green. I think I'm gonna have to like redo this white paint job. Look at that. You see stuff like that? That has to be painted over. Whatever that was, didn't come out. So I will get there, and this is what I'm going to do. I mean, look at the borders of that door already. Look at the difference between that door and the rest. So I cannot wait till everything is nice and white. So I will be back once it's all painted, and you'll be amazed at the difference. Alright, so thanks for tuning in, and thank you for your support.